What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have an update on this crypto called Sperax, which has pumped up quite a bit in the last 24 hours. It is up just over 30% guys, currently trading at 0.007676 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is this a crypto to be investing into? Is it one to avoid, or is it one to sell if you're on a profit? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024, how high and how low can it go, and essentially looking at, can it potentially be profitable? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Sperax, which is here in purple. But we can clearly see the value of Sperax is here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. But do also mind that there is quite a big difference between the SMA indicator and the actual value of Sperax, meaning it could be overvalued and could be in for a little bit of a dip, but we'll get into that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming into the 30-minute chart guys, just a little disclaimer guys before I get into all of that stuff. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, it is not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Sperax over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto is likely to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, reason for that is it has taken quite a major pump earlier this morning, as you guys can see here. Well, not this morning, late last night and early this morning as well, and it has been fluctuating around that price range and hasn't dipped much. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, do expect more red candlesticks guys. It should essentially drop below 0.007 cents is what I'm expecting by the end of the day today, and essentially over the coming days it is likely to drop a little bit further. So zooming into the hourly chart, next few days we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So guys, as mentioned, more red days are on the way for Sperax over the coming week or so. So by the end of this week, early next week, Sperax should be trading again around 0.006 cents or below is where I'm expecting it to be trading at towards the end of the week. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. It is of course likely to hit the odd green day in between, but once again, the overall outcome seems to unfortunately be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes guys, do expect more red candlesticks from the crypto. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks here we have taken a complete U-turn. We got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, it is looking quite steep guys. Again, the reason is looking quite steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 to 48 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, that is not the case. So essentially, by mid to late March 2024, even though yes, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from where it is at the moment, it should be essentially heading to around the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting. However guys, Before it does that, it is likely to go for a price correction, dropping down in value over the next week or two, down to about 0.005 cents, and then slowly start to gain value up to the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of March, early April. So over the next 2.5 months, it should essentially be hitting over the 1 cent target, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. And as you guys will probably know, with the Bitcoin halving coming along in April, this would have a major impact on the crypto market. And if you guys want to stay up to date on the latest news updates on the crypto market and what my predictions are other than YouTube, what you guys can do is click in the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat. It is a paid chat, but I do have a discount code for you guys. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, using discount code DEC10, you get 50% off to make it $14.99 a month, and it's going to stay at that price for as long as you remember. And again, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what happens once you sign up is you get put into two group chats. The first one is where I show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I am a long-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. And the second chat is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. And again, don't worry about the figures here. This is a screenshot from nearly 2 years ago. And you guys can also ask me questions on other cryptos that you guys want me to do analysis and predictions on, which I will also provide in the group chat. But yeah, if you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Sperax. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 600% in the last 24 hours, making it just below $8 million, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. There's a lot more people trading the crypto as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it in the crypto market, crypto world, and in return, it is also helping the value of Sperax pump up even higher than where it is at the moment. So Fibonacci scale is quite useless when it comes to cryptos like this. As you guys can see, we are trading in the lower part of the red zone, and to hit the green zone we need to hit just about 6 cents in value, which I'm not expecting Sperax to hit anytime soon. So at least for the next few years we are going to be stuck in the red zone, which is here, and potentially break out from here over the next couple of years, but it is going to take a very long time. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Sperax, guys. Comment down below how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.